Second graphing example here, y equals the log base 3 of x. That's what we want to graph. We also are going to find our domain, our range, our y-intercept, and the asymptotes. The same directions as example 4a. So first of all, if I'm trying to graph y equals the log base 3 of x, let's think about what this means. Okay, this means my base for my log is 3. So we start here. 3 to the y power equals x. Okay, so again, this means 3 to the y power equals x. We start with our base for our log, jump across the equal sign, jump back. So I make a table of my values here, just like before. When I'm coming up with my table for 3 to the y power equals x, it'd be hard for us to figure out what x values we want to use. Easier for us to figure out what y values, okay, because it's easy for us to take 3 to a power. So we use those same values as before with exponential functions, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Use those same values again, but now for y. 3 to the -2nd power is 1 over 3 squared, which is 1/9. 3 to the -1st power is 1/3. 3 to the 0 power, 3 to the 1st power, and 3 to the 2nd power. Okay. Now we can plot these points. So 1/9 is our x value, 1/9, -2, 1/3, -1, 1, 0, 3, 1, and then 9, 2. Go out to 6 here on my graph. 7, 8, 9 here. And then we connect our dots. Keep in mind as you're connecting that we have an asymptote. Okay, we have an asymptote. Again, in this case, our asymptote is vertical through the origin. So let's start there, I guess, when we're trying to figure out our domain, range, y-intercept, and asymptote. Our asymptote's right here, through the origin, the vertical line. So we write that equation as x equals 0. Because we have the asymptote here, there is no y-intercept. And again, because of the asymptote, x can't equal 0. We can't plug 0 in for x in our equation, okay? Because 3 to no power gives us 0. And we can't have any negative values for x, because 3 to a power would never give us a negative value. So our domain, x is greater than 0. And then our range, well, this part of our graph is going to go down forever. This part's going to go to the right forever. So our range is all real numbers.